Hello lovelies, this is my first unboxing video ever, and yes lovelies, I am officially a gone girl. I am a gone girl. I have recently moved from Windows and Android, and yes, I bought a MacBook and an iPhone. I will tell you the reasons why I moved as a student from Windows and Android to iOS in another video. But for now, let's unbox this, starting with some beautiful accessories for both these devices. So what I got first was a MacBook bag. It's actually a sleeve to keep it from getting scratches. And I also got a charging stand to charge my iPhone, and ports. I got an external port. This is to plug in stuff, and I got these cute cases. Lovelies, I'm telling you, these are so cute for my iPhone. And then I got a charging cover with the charging cable protector so that it doesn't bend at the end. But let's just put all of this aside now and move on to the iPhone and unbox the iPhone. So lovelies, I went to iStore and I got this beautiful iPhone 15 Plus. I'm loving it. So let's just unbox it. The packaging is so cool. I don't even want to lie. I'm just gonna block the important information here and open this baby up. Oh my goodness, I went and got the Plus. And let's just check out what it comes with. So this is obviously the phone, and it comes in the mint color. I'm loving this color. There was options for pink and yellow and stuff. I initially wanted the yellow, but I went with the mint. And this is what's in the box. The stickers. I got the silver stickers. I have plans for that, but I'm not committed yet. So I'll let you know what I'm going to do in the right time. So this is to open the SIM port. There's a cable that I took out of the box, as you can see there. And I was extremely excited about the stickers because I want to do stuff with the stickers. But I will tell you as soon as I'm fully committed to that idea. But yeah, this is all that comes with the iPhone. I'm putting it back. And as you can see, there is no adapter for the charger. I'll tell you a little bit later on how I'm getting around that. There was an option to buy an adapter, but it was like a hefty price. And sorry, I'm a student. So let's put the box away and look at the phone. Super excited to see this phone. I mean, come on guys. It is so slim. It feels so light on the hand. So slick. It comes with a C-type charging port, which I absolutely love. Let's switch this baby on. Oh my goodness, it is on officially for the first time. This is a lovely phone, I don't want to lie. It feels good on the hand. And moving from Android, I'm sure I'll have a lot of getting around with this phone. So as you can see here, it's turning on and it gives me that hello. Maybe because of the light, you're not going to see clearly. And then some language that I totally do not speak. So we're just going to move along and see what's the next step. It is the setup. So yeah, now it's asking me a bunch of questions and things that I need to click. Oh my goodness, this is a lot and it's going to take some time. So I'm just going to sit it aside and we'll get to that later on. Okay, for now, let's move on to the most important stuff. Let's make way for the big boss. The Mac. The ultimate machine that I needed. So let's unbox this baby. So this is the Air and it's supposed to be light. The box is quite heavy though. I'm not sure if it's the laptop that is heavy in the box or it's just the packaging with all the things that are inside, but we'll get to that later on. let's open it up and see what is inside. And yes, it is the Mac. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this. I am excited to just write and finish up my PhD in this machine. So yeah, they've wrapped it up so well, I have to say. And I went in and got the starlight color, the glorious rose goldish color that is chic and nice. I don't want to lie. There was a option for space gray, but I'm a girl, feminine in all ways, so I went for the starlight. And the stickers, my goodness, they match the color. Let me show you without the lighting there. They match the color very well, and I'm excited about the stickers. Still don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I'll figure it out. It comes with a charger. It's that magnet one that just clips to your Mac, which I love. And yeah, the adapter. So I did not get the adapter for the phone because, as you can see, the charger comes with 2 ports, so I can charge both my Mac and my iPhone using this adapter. You know, I'm the kill 2 birds with 1 stone type of girl. So yeah, that's the plan right here. So let's put the box on the side and get to the machine. Let's use the box to elevate the glorious gold, the glorious golden baby. So this Mac is light, guys, really light. The box is heavy because the box is heavy, but the machine is quite cool. Light. And it's on. My goodness. Hello. Yep. Okay, again, the language I can never speak. So let's just jump into the setup and see what's happening right here. So again, it's asking me a lot of questions. So I'm just gonna go right ahead and set this up. So like all setups, this is now asking me for a lot of personal information, security information, and there's just a lot of steps to go through. I'm setting up the language and everything else. But this actually feels good. I like the trackpad. It's like different. I normally use a mouse with my other laptop, but I'm probably not going to with this one. So right now it's saying that the battery is low, probably because it's still new and it has not been charged to its full capacity. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this new adapter and charge this machine and set it up later on the side. But you know me, I will come back with another video of my MacBook setup and my iPhone setup, because I'm obviously going to jump on the what is in my MacBook trend and what is in my iPhone trend. So stay tuned for that video as I charge this machine and get it ready for that particular video. Thank you for watching my first unboxing ever, and I will give another video as to why I moved to iOS.